Okay. Dear students, in this session I am going to discuss about the logical instructions. In previous sessions we have completed the data transfer instructions as well as arithmetic instructions. So logical instructions are used for carrying out bit by bit, shift, rotate and some basic logical operations such as AND, OR, NOT and XOR. For these logical instructions, all conditional code flags are affected depending upon the result. That means carry flag, auxiliary carry, parity, sign, zero, and overflow flags will be affected depending upon the result. So these instructions are AND instructions, OR, NOT, XOR, that is logical exclusive OR instruction, and also shift left, shift right, rotate right without carry, rotate left without carry, rotate right through carry, rotate left through carry. So first we will like to discuss about the basic logical operations and instruction. So the instruction is A and D, logical AND. This instruction bit by bit ANDs the source operand, that may be an immediate operand or a register or memory location, to the destination operand, that may be a register or a memory location. And after executing this instruction, the result is stored in destination operand. And for these logical instructions, at least one of the operands should be a register or a memory operand. And any immediate operand cannot be a destination operand. So example, and AX comma 0008H. Similarly, what we have discussed, add AX comma some immediate data in similar way. So bit by bit logical ANDing the content of AX with the immediate data 0008H and AX comma BX. Here also bit by bit ANDs the content of BX with the content of AX. The similar way we are having OR, that is the logical OR. This also carries out the OR operation the same way as we have discussed in the AND operation. The same formats, OR AX comma immediate data, or AX comma BX, like that. So I would like to explain with some example. NOT instruction simply complements, inverts the contents of operand. If the content of operand is 0, that will become 1. If it is 1, that will become 0. So it complements the contents of an operand register or memory location bit by bit. Examples are not AX, not memory address 5000H. And similar way we are having logical exclusive OR. For that instruction is XOR. This also carries logical exclusive OR operation in a similar way to the AND and OR operation. So examples are XOR AX comma 0098H or XOR AX comma BX. First we will see examples for these 4 instructions. So after that we will go for the shift operations. So first we will discuss the AND operation with an example. So for each and every instruction I will go for a simple example. So the instruction is AND maybe some AND AX comma 0008H. So for example, content of AX is 3F0FH. So the meaning of this AND AX comma 0008H is bit by bit add the contents of AX, that is 3F0F, with the 0008H. So we'll see that operation bit by bit, that is 3F0F. That 3 means 0 0 1 1, F means 1 1 1, 0 means 0 0 0 0, again F means 1 1 1, 0 0 0 8. It means 1 0 0 0. So bit by bit logical AND. Every bit. 1 AND with 0, 1, sorry, 0, 1 AND with 0, 0, 1 AND with 0, 0, 1 AND with 1, that is 1. As we know that if any one of the operand is 0, the result is 0 for AND operation. So that becomes 0, 0, 0, 0, again 0, 0, 0, 0, all zeros. So the result of this one is 0, 0, 0, 8H. So this will be moved to the again AX, the result. This is AND AX comma 0, 0, 0, 8H. The similar way, if you are having another instruction and AX comma BX, the same, assume that AX content is 3F0FH 0011 FFF 0F. Maybe BX content is maybe A235H. What is A? A means 10, that is 1010H. 2 means 0010, 3 0011, 5 0101. So the AND means bit by bit, and then 1 AND with 1, 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 0, 1 AND with 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0. So the result is 0 0 1 0, that is 2 0 0 1 0, again 2 0 5. So the answer is 22205H. So this will be moved to the AX. This is the result will be moved to the destination, that is the destination is AX. The similar way we'll go for the another operation OR. I'm going for the same example. Okay, so now we'll go for the another example, that is OR. That is OR AX comma 008H. This content are same. So we will go for logical OR, bit by bit ORing. So 1 with OR with 0, 1 1 1 1. So as we know that in the STLD we have discussed, data subject we have discussed that if any one of the content is 1, the output is also 1. If both are 0, the output is 0. Otherwise it is 1. So therefore this becomes 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 0. This means 0 0 1 1, that is 3 1 1 1 F 0 F. The same answer we got 1 1 1 1. So this will be moved to the AX after execution of this instruction. The similar way OR AX comma BX. So we have to go for OR, bit by bit OR of each and every instruction. 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 1. So 1 0 1 1, 8 plus 3 11, that is B F 3 F. So this is the answer. This will move to the AX. So this is about the OR, logical OR instruction. The similar way, for XOR instruction, we are having the instruction name is XOR. This logical exclusive OR, bit by bit. As we know that for logical exclusive OR, if both the inputs are different, if it is 1 0 or 0 1, the output is 1. If both are 1s or 0s, the output is 0. So 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 0. So this will be the answer. That is 3 F 0 7. So this will be moved to the AX after execution of this instruction. The similar way, if you are having XOR AX or BX, it logical exclusive are the contents of AX and BX. So 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 1. So this means 9 12 13. 13 means E 3 1 0 1 1. 8 plus 3 11 B. So this will be moved to the AX. So this is for the logical exclusive OR. So there is another instruction, not AX. For example, content AX is nothing but some 3A 0 2H. 3 you can write 0 0 1 1. A you can write 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 0. 2 means 0 0 1 0. So not AX means complements the each bit. So this becomes 0 becomes 1, 1 becomes 0, 1 1. Similarly 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 1. So this will be the answer for not AX. 1 1 means 8 plus 4 12. That is C 5 F 13 D. So this is the answer for not AX, and this will be stored in AX content. So this is about the logical basic logical instructions, so which we have discussed now. Now we'll go for some other logical operations. Those are shift left, shift right, rotate left, rotate right, without carry and with carry. So next instruction is shift left. So simply this instruction shift the operand word or byte bit by bit to the left and insert zeros in the newly introduced least significant bits. So all the bits of a given word or byte will be shifted to the left and a 0 will be inserted in the newly introduced least significant bit. And all the condition code flags are affected depending upon the result. So the next one is shift right. Sorry, by mistake I have written SHL. This is SHF, SHR, shift right. So this instruction is almost opposite to that one, previous SHL. This instruction shift the operand word or byte bit by bit to the right and insert 0 in the newly introduced MSB. The remaining all are same. So I will discuss with an example. ROR, rotate right without carry. So this instruction rotates the contents of destination operand to the right either by 1 or by the count specified in the CL. I will discuss. For example, ROR AL comma 1. So rotate the right without carry the content of AL one time. If it is 2, that is 2 times, or if it is specified by CL, that is depending upon the content of CL. Here the LSB is pushed into the carry flag and simultaneously it is transferred into the MSB position. The least significant, rotate right. Therefore, LSB is shifted to carry flag and the same LSB is moved to the MSB position. The remaining bits are shifted right by the specified position. The similar way, the opposite action, that is ROL, rotate left without carry. There is another one, rotate right through carry. This instruction rotates the contents of destination operand to the right, that is bit by bit, either by 1 or by the count specified in the CL through carry flag. For each operation, the carry flag is pushed into the MSB of the operand and LSB pushed into the carry flag. That is right word. The similar way, the opposite is RCL, rotate left through carry. This instruction rotates the contents of destination operand to the left either by 1 or by the count specified in the CL register. The remaining all are same. So this we will see with some example. So now we will see the shift and rotate instructions with examples. Say there is an example called the instruction SHL AX comma 01. This means shift left bit by bit the content of AX one time, or you can also specify SHL AX comma CL, shift left bit by bit content of AX by the number specified in the CL register. If it is 2, 2 twice, 3, 3 times, 4, 4 times. So now for example I will go for one time. Assume that the content of AX is 1010 1100 1010 0101. That means 101 is 10, that is A. 1108 plus 4 12 is C, AC. 101 again A 5. If it is the content of AX is this one, if the instruction is SHL AX, 01 or SHL AX, CL, where CL equal to 1, then what happens we'll see. It shift the, as per the instruction, what it is specifying is, this instruction shift the operand word or byte. So this is a operand word bit by bit to the left, bit by bit to the left, and insert 0 in the newly introduced LSB. So 1 will be shifted left, that is 0, 1. This will be 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, and the MSB will be moved to the carry bit. It's a one operation, shift left one operation, so that becomes, and as per the instruction we have to insert the 0 in the newly created LSB. So this will be the answer, 1101 1001. 110 means 8 plus 4 12 plus 1 13. 13 means D 9 4 A. If the instruction is SHL AX comma 02, then we have to go for another one time. That means 0, I am shifting simply 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. This 0 will be moved to here 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, this 1, 0, this one, and this one will be moved to carry flag, and we have to insert a new 0. So that is 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 0. This is the shift left operation. In the similar way, there is another instruction called shift right. Here we have to insert 0 in LSB here also. Now we'll see the shift right. So for easy, I will go for only one operation. Please shift right SH R. So each bit will be shifted by bit right. 1 0 1 0, and go for like this 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1, and this will be moved to the carry flag and insert 0 in MSB. Insert 0 in MSB position. This is the shift right one time. So the answer becomes 0 1 0 1. That is 5 6 5 to H. This is for SHR AX. Now we'll go for the next one. Rotate left without carry. Rotate left or rotate right. First we'll go for, already here we are having a small SHR, therefore I will go for ROR. If the instruction is ROR, the meaning of this ROR is rotate right without carry. Rotate right without carry. Here count is one time. So all the bits are rotated. So now we'll see, this becomes 1. So forget about this one, just we'll see. So all the bits are shifted, rotated, shift one bit right, same, and the LSB bit is moved to carry flag as well as it is moved to the MSB. The same one is moved to carry and also rotate to the MSB. This is nothing but rotate right without carry. The LSB is moved to the carry, simultaneously moved to the MSB. That is 1 1 0 1. That becomes 1 1 0 1. 8 12 13. That is D. 4 plus 2 6. 3 2 H. This is the rotate right without carry. Rotate left AX comma 01. I am taking the same one. It is AX quantity is 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1. So each bit will be shifted left by one position. 0 1, this will be 0, next 0, 1, 0, this becomes 1, 0, 0, 1, this move to 1, 0, 1, 0. This MSB is moved to carry flag as well as simultaneously move to rotate to 1. So this will be the answer for ROL, that is without carry. So that is answer will be 0, 1, 0, 1, that is 3, 8 plus 1, 9, 4, 8, 10, 11, B. This is the answer for ROL. For ROR D632H. The similar way we are having another instruction called RCL and RCR. Otherwise I will go for another instruction, another example. So I am having an instruction called RCR, sorry, AH, RCR, AX, comma, join. Rotate right through carry the contents of AX one time. So say content of AX is maybe 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 1. So rotate right through carry. So already there is a carry flag. Initially the carry flag content is 0. So now what happens, we'll see. Rotate right. So every bit is moved right. 0 1, this becomes 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0, this becomes 0 0 1 0. This 1 will be moved to the carry flag and this 0 will be moved to this one. This is rotate through carry. So LSB bit is moved to carry, carry flag bit is moved to MSB. Therefore the answer becomes 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 0. That is 5 3 6 2H. The similar way RCL, rotate left through carry AX comma 0 1, maybe AX content is, otherwise AX content is 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 1, and carry flag is assumed that it is already 1. So rotate left through carry. So this becomes 0 1, sorry, this MSB become going to carry flag, that becomes 0, and this 1 will be moved to here, and this 1 0 1, this is moved to 0. In similar way 0 0 0 1, this one becomes here, comes here, 1 0 1 0, this becomes 1 1 0. So 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 1, and carry is 0. So that is 8 plus 3 11, means B 5 8 B H. This is the answer. So this is about the shift and rotate operation. With this we have completed the complete logic operations.